Hey YouTube, it's your boy Dakota Hawk coming at you with a Hawks Outdoors video. For those who have not seen my last video, I am taking a break from shaving and growing a beard. So while that's happening, I'm going to be doing fishing reviews, like fishing reviews on anything that has to do with fishing. I'll do reviews when I get it. I'm gonna give you a few tips, do's and don'ts, etc., etc., whatever comes to mind. I'm also going to do pretty much anything else that I want to do, whether it's unboxing or, just anything that comes to mind that I think you guys may like, I will post. Until I decide to shave my beard off. So, these videos that I'm making now, I'm making 3 today. They will not be posted up today. They'll be posted up later on. I will not make a daily upload like I didn't do with the shaving. Alright, so today is going to be what's inside my tackle bag. Okay, I am still adding to this bag. In fact, I just added to it today as well. So let's get into it. Okay, front pocket is a mess. This is my throw drawer pocket if I want to get up and leave in a hurry. These are not mine. These will be removed. This is a mistake on so many levels. This will probably be removed. Trash. This I haven't caught anything on this yet, but that's gonna say this is just gonna move pockets. That's it. That is it for that one. This is normally where my wallet goes because that's my fishing license. That way I know where it's at, even when I don't know where it's at. Okay, main pocket. You have 1, 2, 3 individual drawers. Here I got my limited edition Winchester 2007 edition pocket knife. And for artificial, I got bad jammers, along with these type things. They don't have a name on them, so I don't know. I got some dangers. I think I got 2 types of dangers. And I got these 4-inch 10cm sheet rise, whatever they're called. And then I also have these bad mamas. This is my gear thing, unless I have overflow of lures, and they'll be in here as well. I show you what is new and what is in there. Old, new, and new. These are new. Bought these at Walmart. They're artificial hooks. They're real hooks, but they're used for artificial baits. These are new as well. These are new, artificial bait as well. And then I got me some split shot weight. Split shot weight. Guys, I know that there was a problem right there. It's my camera. I can't fix it. I apologize. These 25 tour pack for $2.99. 25 tour pack. Walmart 6 tour pack, $3.99. Dunham's, Walmart. Dunham's, yeah, Walmart. Okay, so that's that. One directly behind it. Alright. Got some, I call them poppers. No, I don't call these poppers. I call them jigs. Jig 1, jig 2. And I got some crankbaits. Rather. Got 1, 2, 3 made by the same company. This I actually ordered off of Amazon. Ow. I got these on Amazon. Paid $1 for these. So great, good job for dropping it. Don't hook yourself. So I'm trying to do what these makeup people do. So, I paid $1 for this thing. Believe it or not, free shipping. Got it from China, of course, but not bad for $1. Not bad at all. So, cannot wait to use that. Get it in there. These are all new, every single one of them. I just got these today as well. Okay. Don't know what these things are called, by the way. Just got them because I thought that they would be good for bait. Got a spinner as well. And then I also have frogs coming in the mail still. Waiting on those to get here. So that's it. So that's thus far. In this side pocket, I just bought this. It is the Gobber, the clutch Gobber. Just got it. Can't really do a review on it yet. I'll do one by my next video. Oh, excuse me. So that is what's in my my bag. Like I said, I'm still adding to it, and I will eventually get a bigger bag of this. So, and the next video that will be coming out is a product review on that thing. Let me zoom in. So that is coming up next. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and there's gonna be many more like it coming soon. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Have a great day.